Is that too much?
It's got mouth shut.
We can't really see his face though, can we?
You can change the light if you need to.
Well, the light's great for me, just
That's
to let
alright,
you know.
That's fine.
What about that without the rain?
That's alright.
Is that too bright?
Not for me.
I'm just going to stuff this torch right with the sunshine in a minute. Can't help the torch.
So what typically happens is the face normally goes completely black and then comes back into focus with different features.
Do we just have to focus on him?
Yeah, just watch his face.
In fact, hold on. Because I've also had it before, they put tattoos on the arms. And talk about if you see anything, because that builds the energy up.
Put the glasses on for this.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Thank you.
Are we all in here? 3,
No,
6,
we've got-
9, 10, 11.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Where's that then?
3, 6, 7, 8. That'd be Sarah.
Yeah.
From where I'm sitting, Ryan's face looks a lot fuller now. Looks like he's putting weight on.
You know about just in the cheeks?
Yeah.
I'm seeing he's got kind of like the right side of his mouth stroking a bit. Got a little bit of a temperature drop around him, but nothing significant.
Anybody else see a difference in Ryan's face?
I can, but it's got to a point where it stayed the same for quite a while. I can see it on the camera.
What's the change?
It looks like it's got very dark around the eyes, and almost coming down to the cheeks. It looks like he's got, obviously, like, I know he's got a bit of stubble, but it seems a lot darker and thick around it, and it just seems like his face looks very stressed. Face is quite round as well.
His face is changing now.
There's been a whole degree drop around him.
Bottom part of his face looks different. It looks as if he's going to smirk any minute.
That's the left side of his face.
You said the right looks like it's dropped. I think the right's up and the left's down. As if he's smirking. But the right side's going up.
Left side of his face is really smoothed out, like there's no real contours to it anymore. Well, it'll just be the angle I'm looking at it, but
I keep seeing a full head of dark hair. And really dark. And a stole and an earring.
Oh. As you were saying about the full head of dark hair and an earring, really, Mr. Robinus, what do you want now?
Right.
what's that?
Raised.
Right.
Yeah.
See, very heavy brow on him now, to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah.
There's people taking photographs. I could do something really funny right now.
That's right.